Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can view your story on Messenger. If you added on Messenger and you didn't know how to check it out, your story on Messenger, I can show you. Open up your Messenger app and logged into your account. There you have added a story, so you can see over here on the top, on my profile you will see a circle bar is on it, so you can see the story is added. So go to stories at the bottom corner or bottom, as you can see beside the chats, you will see stories. Click on that, then you will see your stories over here. So click on your story and view your story that you have added on that Messenger, and that's it. That's how you can check it out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.